Whenever we talk about the universe, planets, we usually imagine the worlds like Earth, Mars, and Saturn, familiar names and their familiar images. But this universe is much larger than our imagination. Beyond our solar system, there are the planets that do not behave the way we expect them to. A planet that challenge what we think a planet look like. One of such a world is the planet J1407b. So I am Shashank Santosh Navalkar and I welcome you to the channel Universe Explained. So today let's discuss about this planet J1407b in detail. So without wasting any time, let's have an official start.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff of Space Shuttle Atlantis on a mission to build, resupply, and to do research on the International Space Station.
Atlantis now in the proper alignment for its 8.5-minute ride to orbit, 4.5 million pounds of hardware and humans taking aim on the International Outpost.
So as I already mentioned in the intro that there might exist some planets that challenge the way what we think about the planet should look like. And one of such planet is the planet J1407b. And do you know what actually the interesting thing about this planet? It is not visible to our eyes and it is not photographed yet. But still it already has changed the way astronomers think about the planetary system. This planet J1407b is located nearly 430 light years away from the Earth in the direction of constellation Centaurus. And at that distance, even its light doesn't reach us directly. So it obviously arises a natural question that how did we even know it exists? Behind the discovery of this planet, there is a strange observation. Basically in 2012, the astronomers observing a young and distant star. Nothing unusual was expected. The brightness dropped, recovered and dropped again over the period of 56 days. No known planet explains such a long and complex pattern. Something larger was passing in front of that star. When the data was analyzed carefully, a pattern emerged. This change in light is not random. They were structured. This structure suggests the presence of massive ring system. This ring system is made up of many individual rings. Each block the star in a different way. The scale of this ring is unpredictable. The rings of this planet J1407b stretch across 120 million kilometers across. To put that in perspective, the radius of this ring system is comparable to the distance between the Earth and the Sun. This is what makes this ring system the largest ring system ever discovered. But this is not only the thing that makes this ring system interesting. Within these rings, the astronomer noticed some gap. And obviously, the gaps are important. They suggest motion, they suggest interaction. They suggest that a moons might be forming inside that ring right now. Which means J1407b is not finished system. It is a planetary system in the process of becoming. A rare glimpse into the planet and the moons might have formed long before our own solar system reached its current state. J1407b was not discovered because we were searching for it. It revealed itself because stars briefly behave in an unexpected way. A small change in light, observed from hundreds of light years away, told us a story of planet that we cannot see. And that raises a quiet and powerful thought. If one distant planet could reveal itself so indirectly, how many more worlds exist that we have not yet noticed? Not because they are hidden, but because we have not yet learned how to recognize them. This is not just a story of planet. It is a reminder that universe often speaks softly. And we understand it only when we slow down enough to listen.